us take the next question. That is question number 4. I am marking this question. Let us read the question. 6 forces 1 Newton, comma 2 Newton, comma 3 Newton, 4 Newton, 5 Newton and 6 Newton respectively are acting at the center of regular hexagon towards the angular points taken in order. Here the diagram as shown in figure. The diagram is given. Here we have to calculate the value of resultant in magnitude and direction. So they have given the diagram. Now we will write the data for this. I will write down the data for this question. Here in this case, they had given us a regular hexagon. Here we have 1 Newton force, then 2 Newton, 3 Newton, all are taken in order, 4 Newton, 5 Newton and at last 6 Newton. Now, we know the forces but we don't know the inclination. But as you can see, the diagram which they have given, it is of a regular hexagon. In case of regular hexagon, here when we join all the corners of the hexagon, we are getting equilateral triangles. So how to get the inclination? Since this straight line is of 180 degree and here we have 1, 2 and 3 angles. So 180 divided by 3, it means each angle is of 60 degree. Each angle will be of 60 degree. Each angle would be of 60 degree. So now, like in the previous problem, I will be converting this regular hexagon into a concurrent force system. How to mark the forces? 1 Newton is inclined at 60 degree with horizontal. Next, this 2 Newton is inclined at 60 degree with 1, means with horizontal it is 120 degree. If with horizontal it is 120 degree, you can say that after marking 1 Newton, this 2 Newton, this 2 Newton force is at 120 degree with horizontal. In other words, with this vertical it is 30 degree, because 30 plus 90 will give you 120. Then 4 Newton, after this, here we have seen, okay, this was 1 Newton actually, horizontal force. This 2 Newton is inclined at 60 and 3 Newton is at 120 degree. Next, 4 Newton is perfectly horizontal, 4 Newton. After this, 5 Newton is inclined again at 60 degree with horizontal, 5 Newton. 6 Newton will be 120 degree with horizontal, so I'll mark it as 90 degree with vertical, 30 degree with vertical, because here I have already 90. So 90 plus 30 gives me 120. This is 6 Newton force. After I have drawn the diagram, next case I am going to resolve the forces. 1 Newton is perfectly horizontal, 2 Newton is inclined at 60 degree to horizontal, so this will be 2 cos 60 degree. Vertical force, it will be 2 sin 60 degree. Next, 3 Newton force, horizontal component will be, since it is inclined with vertical, it will be 3 sin 30. Vertical component will be 3 cos 30. 4 Newton is perfectly horizontal. 5 Newton will be inclined at 60 with horizontal. So 5 cos 60. Here I have 5 sine 60. 6 Newton is inclined at 30 with vertical. Horizontal component will be 6 sine 30. Vertical component will be 6 cos 30. Once I have marked all the forces here, I can find out summation of fx, summation of fy. I will write down since the sum of all horizontal forces, summation of fx is equal to rightward forces positive and leftward forces negative. Hence, summation fx is equal to 1 Newton is positive because towards right, 2 cos 60 positive towards right, 3 sine 30 negative towards left, 5 cos 60 negative towards left. Then 4 Newton is also a horizontal force towards left, so minus 4. 6 sine 30 positive towards right. If I go on calculating this values carefully, I will get my answer of summation fx, which I have already written. It comes out to be minus 3 Newton. Minus 3 Newton. Minus indicates that it is towards left. The sum of all horizontal forces would be acting towards left. After that, since summation of fy, where upward forces are positive and downward forces are negative, so therefore summation of fy will be equal to 2 sine 60 upward है positive, 2 sine 60, then 3 cos 30 upward positive, 5 sine 60 downward, so negative, 6 cos 30 downward, so negative. If I calculate all terms carefully, I'll get my summation fy minus 5.20 Newton. Since it is minus, it means it is in the downward direction. After this, I can write down, since resultant is given by capital R is equal to square root of summation fx square plus summation fy square. Therefore, capital R is equal to square root of summation fx, the value was minus 3, summation fy minus 5.20. If I calculate the resultant, I will be getting my answer as 5.99 Newton, almost close to 6. That's my first answer. After I found the resultant, I can even show its location. So since location of resultant is given by theta is equal to tan inverse of summation fy upon summation fx. Therefore, theta will be tan inverse summation fy minus 5.20 summation fx minus 3. So I will be getting my theta as, it comes out to be 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Once I have got theta, I can comfortably say that's my second answer. Now I can show the resultant on a diagram. I will be marking the axis as positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y. Since summation fx was negative, summation fy was also negative. So summation fx negative means it is negative x. Summation fy negative means negative y. It means resultant will be in the third quadrant and its inclination it is 60 degree with respect to horizontal. So theta is 60 degree with horizontal. And the answer of resultant was 5.99 Newton. So once we have calculated and located the resultant, we can easily say that we have solved this question.